Let's see how you can set study restrictions for your flashcard sets. On the left side of the Knowt screen, we're going to go to Classes. We'll open up the class of the flashcards where the flashcard set is located, and we'll click on the set that we're looking to adjust. Near the top of the page, you'll see a button, Set Study Restrictions, and a window pops up. On the left-hand side, it will show the 4 different modes that we can adjust. For each one, you can toggle it off if you'd like to. So if we wanted to restrict students from using Learn mode, we could turn that off. Other than turning a study mode off, you can also adjust other settings and lock them where students cannot make changes. We can do this for practice test, we can do this for spaced repetition, and we can do this for matching. Let's take a quick look at some of the options available for study mode restrictions. Under Learn mode, teachers have the ability to specify how many cards per round. They also have the ability to toggle off or on particular types of questions. So if you'd like to limit your students to a particular type, you have the ability to do so by toggling it into the off position. You'll also see a section for question format. You can determine whether you would like students to answer with the term or answer with the definition, and you can turn those off if you'd like to impose those restrictions. And the bottom part includes learning options. We can set it to study starred items only, shuffle terms, smart grading, retype answers, or allow override for wrong answers. If you'd like to enable any of those, you can simply toggle it on for your students. Under practice test, you'll see basically the same options. You can limit the number of questions or specify a particular number of questions. And you also have the same options for question types, question format, and learning options. For spaced repetition, you can determine how many new cards each student would see per day, and you can also specify the length of different levels of words, easy, good, hard, or again for cards. As with the other types of study modes, you can also turn off or on particular question types, and you have control over the question format and the learning options. And for the matching study mode, fewer options, but you can specify the number of cards that students will see, and you can also turn on or off the grid and study starred items only.